to you so that you can refer, so that you won't miss any sessions. Perfect. Any sessions. Okay, so the one, everyone clear? The students who joined for the first time, just yes, response. Yes, Pratik. Everyone. Okay, cool. Yes, good. Good job, guys. Okay. So let me tell you, let's start the session. And let me tell you, okay, there's a two things. Yesterday, okay, I took less class, but answer more of your questions. Am I correct? Today, I will take more class and then I will answer your questions, guys. I do see yesterday more students has connected me in LinkedIn. I accepted everyone. Did you see this? You sent a request. I just accepted it. Pretty clear, guys? Everyone. Okay, next one. So just go here and what exactly topics I shared. The first topic yesterday I was discussed was, I mean, this QR code. One moment. Can you please scan, guys? The one who already done, no worries. Did you see what is code syllabus? Everybody noticed it? And do you see some videos, YouTube videos, which I made? Are you watched it, guys, online team? So this is what the sessions goes. And also, okay, yes, I will explain all those things one more time. So new students, can you please scan this QR code? And once you scan this QR code, you will get this drive link. You just get this drive link and let me copy and let's go here. Sir, I can't scan. No problem. I will share you the link. Mohammed, can you please click the link? Thank you, team. So please, you can join our WhatsApp group with this link, guys. Everyone. Okay, offline team, you get this link from, okay, I will copy and I will mention here, I think WhatsApp group. I will share this link, share this notepad today in the drive you get from the drive. Are you clear, everyone? I will upload this documents in the drive. You will get it from here. So online team, can you please copy and click the link in this one? I will explain this data science AI Gen AI course. And also there are some placement videos. Today, I will tell you today, I mean this week, 3 of my student placed with the offer of 14 LPA and 8 LPA and 1.80 LPA. You want me to show the proof, guys? You want me to show the offers? I will show you. Don't worry, because I will show the offer letter, offer letter later. Clear? Just in the class only, I'll show you. Now the next one. Okay. Okay. Thank you. This is what day one, full stack data science recording. So guys, thank you, Nagababu. So here, do you see this, guys? Mr. You can find out the day one, right? Just copy. This is the day one recording. I'll let me mention here. Guys, this notebook which I'm preparing, I will prepare this for 6 months. Everything's whatever I have, I can explain everything in this notebook. So this would be recording sessions. I will upload this notebook in the Google Drive. You can watch it. Clear? Let me close this now and let's start the session. Just one moment. Here we go. Daily for. Yes, buddy. Yes, Pratish. Because it is a big course. Are you done, guys? Scan? Okay. So once we covered what exactly topics I covered yesterday, the first one about Naresh IT, about me and my introductions. Okay. And what are the key topics covered this course? Did we discuss or not? What is three type of LLM models? I want previous video. Swarupa, can you please take this recording? Just one moment, day one, everyone. Okay, Swarupa, can you click the link? You will get a YouTube video and you watch it. Everyone, offline team, I'll post this video. You can watch it, guys. Okay, Swarupa and everyone. And there's a small request from everyone. Please request to don't ask any questions till 45 minutes. And after that, next 40 minutes, I'll take your questions. Shall we? Okay. Yes, guys, online team. Okay, thank you. Okay, Asif. Yeah, I will unmute you. We can speak. I will speak with some of the students yesterday. Let's go ahead and we introduce. I want everyone, can we ask you questions verbally? Yeah, you can ping in the chat window. Pratik, you can ping in the chat window. I can see, I can talk, I can respond to your questions. But let's see, guys. Yesterday we built one GenAI applications or not, guys? Demo. You didn't build, I was build. I just show you the front end part. I show you the front end part. Let's go to this one, minimize, and okay. So these are the topics. Three type of LLM model. What are those, guys? GPT and Gemini AI, and then Llama 3. Prerequisite of the codes we covered. And also, I want to day link. So Rupa, this is the day link. Okay. So here, how to implement Euclidean distance metrics in object tracking projects, we also discuss. And I placed two placement. I showed you one offer or not? Yesterday also I show. And we done one projects and I spend more time on question and answers, guys. Let's continue. And if you remember, I was talk about this three things. This is all the first part we covered this one, isn't it? About IT. The second one, offline online lab we covered. The second one, what are the key topics covered in this course? I covered this. So let's go ahead and we talk about rest of them. Just minimize and go to this notes here. So these are the key topics. So as I said yesterday, okay, the Python data analysis, EDA, linear algebra, math, Google Gemini, 26 topics. I want you to little go back and see the previous videos, you understand. Every topic explained from basic level to expert level. So main questions, why to choose data science, generative AI, large language model. In the market, we have many more subjects are there, isn't it? Like C, C++, Java, Oracle, PL SQL, SAP, HANA. There's a lot of software topics we have, guys. But why to choose GenAI? Because if I compare to other programs, it has less code and good pay scale, and new upcoming things is add on to it, like robotics, like generative AI, like artificial intelligence, drones, all those things, new platforms or not, guys? So that's why it's a completely different than Java, C, C++, etc. It is a completely different than C, C++, Java, and easy deployment. Brijesh, can we talk at the end of the classes, Brijesh? And it has high demand, innovations, well-paying career, global opportunities. So the subject which you are studying here, it has a global opportunities, guys. Let's say I will explain some of machine learning algorithms. Okay, don't scare by name itself. Okay, it's just, see, definitely you have to understand the concepts, guys. So machine learning algorithms, there are few algorithms. Let's say decision tree. Let's say decision tree algorithm. So this algorithm concepts is everywhere equal. You understand, guys? So you have to, once you understand this algorithms, even though a guy from US, UK take interview, same concepts you can speak. He can select you. Do you see mathematics, addition, multiplication is different in India, it's different in US? No, I never think so, guys, because these concepts are same in everywhere, please. Understand him. So how detailed would be then Gen AI part? Sandeep, just calm down. I covered everything. Okay. So guys, whatever the question you're asking, I am covering all the topics one by one. Okay, Sandeep. Okay, Swarupa. So then don't worry, I covered everything. So that's what there's a we have a demo sessions going on. I will take down your questions, and today, tomorrow, lot of things I wanted to cover. Just if you allow me some more time. Okay, so decision tree algorithms, all those things we have. So the next one, business powerful packages libraries are using for data analysts, data visualizations, predictive model forecasting. What is meant by forecasting, guys? Do you see the dollar price 5 years back? How much dollar price, guys? 60 bucks or not? But now, how much dollar price? 80 bucks. Gold price 5 years back, how much it is? Just 20, I mean, 35 to 40. But now it's going to be 60. Would you build a model? Let's see this, guys. The question is, would you build the model where the model will predict what would be the petrol price after 5 years, guys? Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say. So this is every organization has this forecast predictions. Stock market, very powerful entity or not? So 99% countries depends on the stocks. So global economy ups and downs happen because of the stocks. So these stock market analysis, they use time series algorithm. Okay, so there's a lot of examples analysis based on historical data, so not present data. Understand? So this all those things. So there's a more little technical part. I just want to say this. So that's why understand why to choose data science Gen AI LLM, because it's a demand now. It is in demand because data growing. So do you remember, guys? 10 years back, we don't use any phones. We have only black and white phones, no internet. Now, internet is increased when last 5 years back onwards or not. So that means more people are use those devices and the data grows. Nowadays, everybody has 8 GB devices, guys. So where the data store is, understand him. So here, next one, if I talk about these things, predict stock price using machine learning. Yes, you can do it, Gotham. See, machine learning regressions, time series is more advanced. So look at this data. See, world produce more data. I wanted to say just a slideshow from uh, current slide. Advent is demand, lot of positions, good paid career. Internet is unstoppable. So the moment when internet stops, our job is stop. Cloud stop. Big data stops. So can you tell me, do you think internet stops, guys? No, never, ever. Isn't it? And new technology will be emerge with help of data science. You can integrate data science to drones, IoT, all these up. You know what is IoT? So that means, integrate of things means we can now the world produce fans. Hey, can you please off the fan? That means the fan will off. So machines can see my voice, listen my voice, and off it. Don't talk about this fans will not work because you have to purchase for that. Anyway, so here very less code and understand code, guys. Internet of Things. Yep. So here every 60 seconds, 98,000 plus tweets are generated. Twitter, are you guys using Twitter or not? Okay. So 6,95,000 status updates, 11 million instant messages, 6,98,445 Google searches. Are you doing Google or not? More jobs created on the device. Uber, Swiggy. Swiggy created more job opportunities, isn't it, guys? So here, 160 millions emails sent, 1,820 terabytes of data created, 270 new mobile web users every 60 seconds. So I mean to say, where the data grows, somebody is required or not? If we construct one house, let's assume 10 workers required. If you construct 1,000 house, you require more number of employees or not? So when the data grows, we require more engineers. So that's why these jobs are created. So as the data grows, we required data analysts, we required data scientists, we required data engineers. Understand? Because the data grows. So if the data grows, then there's no opportunities. So data are divided into two types. Data are divided into two types. One is structured data. Another one is unstructured data. So data is divided to how many parts? Two types. Structured data, unstructured data. Structured data also called supervised learning. Structured data also called supervised learning. Also we called as labeled data. Unstructured data also we called as unsupervised learning and unlabeled data. Very much clear up to this. Data is how much, guys? Next one, we have semi-structured data. I mean, structured plus unstructured, you can call semi. So structured data, Shravani, just wait. Can we talk later, Shravani? Okay. Yeah. Understand, guys, structured data and unstructured data. So we have two types of data. So if the data had stored in database or not, the data stored in database. So structured data store in structured DB. Which concepts called, guys? Structured DB. And this structured DB also called as SQL DB, also called as relational database, RDBMS, relational database. So here I can mention that we can call it structured DB and SQL. So what are the databases of structured? You can say MySQL, SQLite, Oracle, Postgres, we have etc. Many more things, guys. Are we clear? This is some little introductions to technical part. Slowly we get into this. So every data stored in databases. So without databases, nothing is understand. For example, www.amazon.com. It is a front end or not? It is a front end. So this front end is connected to one database. This database is called production server. What we call, guys? Production server. If this database stop, you never log into the Amazon account. Guys, you getting my point? What I'm trying to say? So if the Amazon.com is shut down for 30 minutes, Amazon lost 30,000 billion to trillion business. So this database never stops, guys. You getting my point? What I'm trying to say? So, there is a two systems, production server, application server. So this is all, there's a big concepts of all those things. And please share the WhatsApp link. Okay, Amlan, but I will share you and please listen the classes. I will share you at the end. Okay, Amlan? All right, buddy. Yeah. So this one. So getting my point, this is a production server. irctc.com, it is linked to where? Production server. Flipkart.com, it is connected to production server. So let me tell you, in the organizations, if 1,000 people are working, for example, so there are only 10 people has given access to production server, because these guys are experienced, they has high pay skill, they has high payment, guys. Understand, everyone? So let me go ahead and let's clear them all. So structured data, supervised. And what about unstructured data? Unstructured DB. What do we call, guys? Unstructured DB. So what is unstructured DB? Also we call NoSQL DB. So there's a two concepts I want to introduce. So let me mention the DB versus unstructured DB, right? I'm sorry, structured data versus unstructured data. And then I can call it as SQL DB versus NoSQL DB. So the NoSQL DBs are Mongo, okay? And then Apache HBase, Cassandra. We have many more things. We have many more things. Team, I hope understand this one. Okay, these are the just technical point. I just want to. So today the main things we can cover that just go to this part. So what are the topics we covered in this here? The first one is about Naresh IT, about my introductions. What are the key topics? The one who not attended yesterday's class, I will share this recording. Offline and online lab. Why to choose data? We discuss these concepts. Why to choose? Because it's demand, it's a new trending technology. So that's what we have to acquire this technology to get place. Let me tell you, this is a new technology, as I'm keep on saying. So when a guy take an interview, he also knew or not? See, listen what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say if you apply a Java interview, the guy who take your experience, he had 30 years of experience, guys. He had 30 years of experience. But the guy who take Gen AI interview, in Gen AI, he's a new. You also knew. So there's a more possibilities to crack the interview. You getting my point? Online team, everyone understand? Okay, just give a yes, no. Okay, team, good job. Good, excellent, got it. And try to understand what I'm trying to say. Let's talk about who are eligible to learn this course. So Mohan Reddy and Praveen, can you please talk to, because if I answer right now, guys, so the session stop automatically. So we also covered what prerequisites required. Let's talk about this slide. Who are eligible to learn this course? Little, and then we got it, guys. Next one. Okay. So if you want to learn high schools, colleges, new textbooks implemented from fourth standard called AI. So students can learn for upskilling for future, but not for apply jobs. 10th class people learn to clear the exam, but not for apply for a job. College BCA, BCom, BA, engineering, every streams, BBA, BCA, MBA, MCA, chartered accountant, doctors, teachers, lecturers, assistant professors, the persons who had career gap. So how the career gap happened? Let's say you done your plus two, you prepare for banking exams or IS exam or IPS exam. So those have career gap will happen or not? Even though you try multiple attempts, just you flunk for few more marks. So those had career gaps, guys. Does not require any software backgrounds to learn this course. Does not coding background is required. No math required. No linear algebra required, because I will teach you all those things you have to learn. But in interview, if someone asks you, yesterday I was talk about distance metrics, Euclidean distance or not. If someone asks you, you can't say that does not require math background. Isn't just to for learning these skills. So you have to learn. I will teach you all those things, guys. So understand who are eligible to learn this course. This one. What prerequisites do we already covered yesterday? Okay. Let me tell you, I will speak out some concept. I know many of them not understand, but still, these are the topics I covered in generative AI, LLM models, OpenAI, Google, Meta. I will explain all three things. Anthropic, Cloudy. Okay, this four topics. This is side headings, guys. Build generative AI on cloud. You know what is cloud? GCP from Google, Amazon, and um, Azure, Microsoft. So foundations model, fine tuning LLM models. I'm going to make one workshops of this. Let's try RAG, Hugging Face, Creo AI, Grook, Stable Diffusion, GitHub Copilot, Prompt Engineering, Zero Shot Prompt and Few Shot Prompt, Falcon, Mistral 7B, Fast API, vector databases. These all things are new platforms, guys. Still, people are learning this new technologies. Understand? So all those things I covered in the classes. Can you please share complete syllabus? Okay. I will share already. Can't you scan, Abhishek? Didn't you scan? This is all books. We have all the part. And also we have, so do you know there is many AI tools developed in the market? See, you in the world, chatbots, GPT, Cloudy, Bing AI, Zapier, Central, we have all those things, guys. See, I just want to introduce one of the websites which created by generative AI. It was pretty phenomenal, and I want to talk about this just here. Let's paste the Google Drive link. I will share it. One moment, guys. Let's copy and you download this one. Clear? See, today go Google and Runway ML. Which one, guys? Runway ML. Right click and open link. Nowadays, all movie industry they acquired AI. All see these videos are generated by not humans, guys. This is all generated by AI. See, don't you think it looks like exact videos or not? Look at the skin tone, and there's a lot of things we have. Everything is created by AI, guys. I have experience in machine learning. So Durga Prasad, can we talk at the end? I will speak with you. Yeah, it's machine learning. Definitely I'll speak. Just yeah, we will talk. See, these all new concepts. Now all the movies is morely acquired on these platforms. I want to go home and open these websites and check it. Okay. And then you have like openai.com and just go to the research. In this research, we have some of the applications called Sora. So when you check this, so what exactly creating video from text? What exactly Sora does, guys? Create video from text. In the movie industry, let's say you purchase this license, guys. You purchase the license. Now you want to shoot a movie. You put a text, it will be video created. So you have to pay. So do you see this? All those things. And if you play around, see what is the text you type here? A stylish human walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm, glowing neon and animated city. See, the moment when you say, this is not a real human walking on a road, it is created by your AI. And look at this. So it's exactly looks like a natural. So this is called generative AI. What is generative AI? AI created images and videos from the text which user entered in the prompt. Are you clear? What is generative AI? AI, this is, see, look, everything is done by your AI, guys. And what is the prompt? A historical footage of California during the gold rush. So this is another video. And see, the camera follows behind a white. That means, see, I type, the camera follows. That means internally your code understand what is cameras and the follows behind white vintage SUV. I hope you does video games uses AI, Srikant. Does video everywhere it is applicable. Srikant, understand? So this is what that's what called you're learning these codes for you get a more calls from movie industries, you get more call from different industries, you will get all those things, guys. So I want you to go and how many days this course, Charan, I will see it's a 6 months, buddy. It's a 6 months. Okay. Now, do you see? So what is generative AI, guys? AI create a art or video or images based on the text which user entered in the prompt. Which is prompt? Yesterday I gave you one example of the prompt we created. In prompt, I pass an image. Now machines understand all those things. That's called Gen AI. Are we guys clear? So this is called, sir, will we learn generative prompts? I will teach you, buddy, all those things. Okay, Bhupinder. It is a paid or free course. Please provide free of students. No, you can go to YouTube's. You get a lot of free videos, Charan. Yeah. Okay. No, this is not a free, guys. I want to get transcript from videos. Is there any model does this? Raju, can I stop? I said, guys, can I help in game development? Of course, man. Of course, Nilesh. See, can we stop or I'll continue? Can I answer your questions or I will continue, guys? Let's continue. I'll take your questions at the end. So this is called Sora. So this is for research. And when you go for GPT-4o, GPT-4o means what? This is called reinforcement learning. Let's see if you heard of it. So if you see this, guys, see this guy is talking to a phone. The phone is understand. I want you to read this one. Can you go this OpenAI and go to research and see this video? Amit, yes, I will teach Python as well. Guys, rather than you ask your questions, please listen the classes. I will get back to your questions. I do covered Python, guys. All right. Do you see what is reinforcement learning? Your model understand with environment. What is environment? See, this guy is talking to the phone and he's asking, can you tell me what I'm doing? So this, your device response, see, you listen what you're saying? It's saying, shoot a video, you mic, use mic and with these lights. So that means even though this device has no eye, that's called AI vision. So here GPT-4o. So these are the new things as introduced, guys. So this is all those things you have, but I want to show you some of the practical. This is more advanced things, guys. And these advanced things we implemented in this courses. And then only the people get placed. I will try to show you some of the offers which my students got. Just go here and download. And one of my student, so here, let me get it. There's a lot of students we have. And there's a 3 student first offer letter, just open. Offer letter when we 15 July means what is today's date? 17th or not? Offer letter. And what is the package, guys? 8,50,000 as a data analyst. So this is what the offers in Hyderabad locations. This is one student. And another student, letter of intent, Neha Prashant. So guys, I will try to show you. Just go here. And once every batch, we created a Google Classroom, 7:30 p.m. So this is existing batch, right? 7:30 p.m. batch completed. I schedule this batch. Just listen to me. Wait. Team, let's congratulations, Neha, for get multiple offers. Job market is up now. Please apply as soon as possible. Batch was completed. Do you see full stack data science 7:30 p.m. or not? So I posted. So every day class notes, documents, I will post in this link. This is called, let me introduce Google Classroom. In this Google Classroom, I will share daily notes, daily documents, interview questions, code, projects. Understand? So just here. And congrats, the people, congrats, Neha. And next one, team, let's congrats to below learners who successfully Vishwa Sai, Bhanu, Akila. Do you see, guys? Congratulations. We will create this type of Google Classroom, not for everyone, for enrolled student. For enrolled student, we will create a Google Classroom. In the Google Classroom, everyone, the guy who enrolled, Gmail should be registered. Gmail should be registered. Pretty clear? So in here, every time, see, this is, we do Power BI, graphs, visualizations. Most of the students done the visualizations. Do you see this, guys? And we create a AI, Gemini AI deployment. Do you see this student, Neha, or not? Yes or no, guys? She posted the work and now she got placed. And check this drive. How do file I shared? I shared Hadoop installations, request file, and I work these projects. I shared them. Now people can work. So in corporate data science required experienced people, freshers. I'll tell you. Freshers, there are many. So if she's experienced only 3 years, her package was 7 lakhs. Now she got offer of, let me show you, data analyst. Okay. And 14.67 LPA per year. Understand, guys? Data analyst. She had, so when we add to Google Classroom, no, once you enrolled, how many classes will have per day? Firstly, how many classes will have? Secondly, we will add topics to covered by you or will be their instructor. Janakiram, first answer to your questions. How many classes will have per day? Per day, we have one sessions from 1 hour 30 minutes. Second questions, everything's covered by me. Third questions, there's no instructions other than me. Understand, guys? Clear? Next one. So this is a what, guys? Experience. Another guy, one moment, let me show this offer. And this one we talk about. This is what you can mention, data analyst. Another offer is 8 lakh 50. And freshers, completely zero knowledge guy. He is Irshad Muhammad. And if you see, after complete his college, he's sitting like you, he practice and he got 1 lakh 80 per annum for a freshers, guys. So I won't say you get 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs per freshers. Another guy got 5 lakhs. So it's based on, this is the intern. After the intern, he will got good offers, 4 LPA and 5 LPA. Clear, everyone, guys? Understand? See, the fact I'm saying. So it doesn't matter where it starts. For you see, this is a freshers. I'll show you many freshers I have. This is mid experience, like 1 year experience guy he is, and this is 4 year experience guy. Freshers. So you mean to sir, freshers I get 1 lakh 80. First get man, then we speak. Understand? First get this offer, then we speak. Okay, everyone. So this is what we have these things as well. Now I will talk back. So are you clear? All those things? I'm not, because I do have all the proofs which I can show to my students as well, so people can understand. And this is what we created, this part, guys. And Google Classroom is very important. All right. So the next one, what is difference between most of the questions asking since yesterday? Even though I said I'll explain one by one. Data analyst. What is meant by data analyst? What is meant by business analyst? What is meant by data engineer? What is meant by data science? What is meant by full stack data science? All right, guys. The first one is data analyst, who analyze the data, who analyze the historical data. What is meant by historical data, guys? So you, to build these codes, you have SQL, Python, EDA, Tableau. You need to learn these 4 topics. SQL must required, Python is must required, exploratory data analysis is must required, Tableau is must required. So if you learn these 4 techniques, you are eligible for data analyst job roles, guys. You are eligible for data analyst job roles. Are you clear, guys? Understand? So these guys are work on historical data. So I hope someone asked these questions. Amlan, are you clear? Where can we apply after this course? Just wait. So that's what, even though I'm saying I will explain all this, business analyst or business analyst who analyze the business. So here, SQL, Tableau, Excel, communications. Business guys, you have to talk to the client. Business guys, you have to talk to the client. So these things we required as business analyst. Data engineer, Apache Spark, Apache Hive, Apache Hadoop, Kafka, SQL. This is for data engineers. Data scientist, SQL, Python, statistics, machine learning, NLP, deep learning. These machine data scientists, understand, guys? What is full stack data science? So you just enroll the course, just go here and let me mention the name of the course is full stack data science. Do you know, you heard about full stack Java developer? Full stack means front end plus backend is called full stack. Yesterday, we built one demo practical, Gemini AI. We create a front end, we write the code as a backend. That's a full stack project. So the company look for a guy who create backend developer and who can create front end developer as well. Pretty clear, guys, up to this, everyone? Yeah. So next one, just go here and try this. So will you teach Tableau or Power BI? Renu, I will teach you both because my previous organizations, I worked Tableau and another company, I work Power BI. So I can explain both. Understand him? So can we switch from other background data science? Yes, 100% yes, Pratik. 100%. Thank you. Next one. So just go back to this part and here. This one done, this one done, this one. Who are eligible? What? Roadmap and code syllabus. Can we get back to this now? Yes, guys. Can we go to roadmap and code syllabus? Okay. So, guys, I shared you the documents to everyone. So just go here and okay, let me show this office. Capstone projects, I'll show you. Full stack. This is code syllabus. Did you download everyone? Did you download everyone? I would request you to take a printout and keep it in home. Whenever, whatever the topics we completed, please do a tick mark and maintain the notes. So I make this Excel sheets for a review and technical discussions. So I mean to say that here, just go here. Please resend this course outline. Please share the guys. I already shared. You can't see, guys. I will share this documentation link or not. This is link I provide you. Do you see this course syllabus? Click here and download, man. Can't you do this? I have to send. Okay, Charan. Yes, sir. I was able to see. Everyone, let's copy and chart window. Everyone, can you please click this link downloaded? Okay, the one who not download, please download. Also, you download these videos. Also, you download some placements. Also, you download all those things, guys, right? Next one. So if you download this, let me read about this. In Python, we covered in detail topics. See, introductions to data science. Some demos are going on. Then we start with basics, variables, operators, loops, data types, data structures, set operations, tuple, Python decorator, polymorphism, okay, oops, concepts, functions, dictionaries, and then methods. What is class? What is method? NumPy and Matplotlib. How to create a graph? You create a graph, guys. In IPL, I'll show you this is very good, and every day we will do in the class. Okay. So what happened? You gain more confidence. So that's what we go on next on day basis. Seaborn, SciPy. Don't ask, sir, I don't understand anything. Of course, guys. You don't understand anything if you knew. So these are the topics. Mathematics, I'll talk about these things, guys. So when I say mathematics, see, a company pay you 1 lakh per month. That doesn't mean that without work, would you company pay? Let's assume you have a business. You need some workers. Do you think without worker you will pay to the worker? So when you don't pay, do you think a company pay you? Remember this one, guys. Am I correct or not? Yes, everyone. So these things is important. So here, I won't say you don't. I will teach you all those things every day. Work with honesty and respect this course and trust my classes. So definitely give me your time. I'll change your career, guys. You're getting my point? What I'm not saying all those things, but it's proven. So here, see, entropy, informations gain, inferential statistics, SQL part, we have constraints, CRUD operations, create, retrieve, delete. Is expense compulsory? No, Alina. See, that guy's just now I shared, right? He's not experienced, but still he got some money or not? Now, after 1 year, he increase, apply another job. Now he experiences, see, experience creates from pressure. then only the experience create. Okay. So please ignore chat messages still. Please take doubts at end. Thank you, Pratik. So then wildcard SQL joins EDA ML. What is univariate, bivariate, data visualizations, ML introductions, regressions? See, if you join these codes in other institutes, let me show you. Just go here and I'll create some of things. Just these are the students placed, guys. Just go to slideshow from current slide, see 14 LPA, Parole HCL, 8.5, 8 LP. They are my students. They're sitting like you. Okay. And they come out of these experience 12 LPA, 16 LPA, 10 LPA. And then here, I shared you these videos, watch it and see how they speak. Next one. If you join this course, in the course we got an internship. Yeah, I will give you internship, Manas Behra. Internship is why you look for internship, man. You don't look for a job. Gotham, some of them are freshers, some of them freshers. Who told you to do internship? I would say apply for a job, man. You're getting my point. Manas, are you understand, buddy? Okay. So if you join this same whatever course curriculum, you have to pay. They have some 90,000, 1,30,000. If you join same course in US, then the payment is 50 lakhs. I have some students, they fly. You guys have some planning to go abroad. You check what is the fees, guys, 30 lakhs or not. They won't teach anything over there. Now this is 60,000 upgrade. Next one. Simple learn the same things, 79,000, 69,930. It's a monthly EMI as well. Next one. So this is other institutes, the package, I mean, the course fees is. Can we also go to jobs after this course? Visual, you go for interview. If you'll ask some questions, if you answer, you get what is meant by job. First interview round clear, second interview round clear, then you got place, guys. Now I can't speak on behalf of you, right, guys? Do you? I can't speak, so you have to speak. Definitely, you'll get. So just now I see these offers. So this is all those things. But here in Naresh IT program, if you see this, so here, guys, just listen. The full stack data science AI programs we have, and in this one, so till last it was 40,000, but now we have a special discount for exclusive offer 21,000 without video, 27 with the recording. The durations courses, I can say I take another 1 month because I have revision, resume preparations. We have all those things, guys. Are you clear or not up to this? So at this moment, so this is the fee, this is the amount which we take from the learners. Do MNCs hire people with non-IT background? Avilash, why do you think? Because do you think MNC people can check, are you non-IT? Are you IT? If you're IT, I'll hire you. If you're non-IT, no, man, it's not like that. It's all depends on the way you speak. Yes, Avilash? So team, I hope understand. So just go back and let's close it here and escape. Let's minimize. So what exactly the topics we have been done? So any questions? Okay, let's go to the full stack data science course. Guys, everybody, I think if we clear the interview, that will be enough. They're very good, Srikant. That's right. See, if company do politics, then nobody will do anything. In organizations, everyone do politics. Man, in home only we do politics, isn't it? You tell one thing to mom and one thing to dad. So in home only politics, in office also big politics. They will speak in front of you. They'll give you a big bang in front of managers. This guy asked me, he don't know anything, isn't it? So this is what happened. So be careful of those people. So here, and you have to know this, guys. So anyway, so here, this is all naive based random forest. Yeah, I think many experienced people know about this, what I'm saying. Yeah, see these messages here. Does this course cover ADF, ADB? Is there any batch in the evening? This is evening, man. No, evening 7:30, only one batch is going on. So does this course. morning 10:30 to 12. So that was other topics going on. Sir, what about placement in that field in Naresh IT? So Naresh IT, we do have many portals. Naresh IT will have a placement team where once you study well, we'll give your number to the placement. Any interview will covered up, then we will apply. Okay, so in that PPT it shows man. It is just a mistake done. So that's not 10:30. Is it 10:30 or 7:30? I was showing. I will remove that. You guys, that all those things you noted, but you don't, whatever questions you need to ask, you don't ask that. I have experience in machine learning. Durga Prasad, wait, I'll talk to you. Just calm down. I know your experience. I have a below queries in online. How can I ask if I'll be stuck? Sri Misra, I'll unmute you. You can talk to me. Raise your hands. Durations, time, how can we download all those materials? Everyday class is going on, and you can, I will post in the class link. Guys, just calm down. Let me have the questions. This is what Google Classroom, Sri Misra, and I will post this link. You can go ahead and download. This is the file I shared or not? You can click this file and you can download this file from here. So I mean to say, just go ahead. Are you understand? And the next one, the third one, because in laptop memory may need to download for this course. Do we need add more memory? Still machine learning not required, Sri Misra. And once we introduce deep learning generative AI, if your machine slows, then we discuss and then we can go for it. Understand? I hope I answer. Can you give informations about capstone projects? Yeah, I will show you. Just one moment, guys. I'm using Office laptop install. They will restrict it. Isn't it? No. Pavan, no. Unable to download the file. No, see, if, sir, it's a class not found. Hey, man, you type it now? It was for existing batch, man. We will don't, we will create, no worries. Okay. Yeah, it says class not found, but in the PPT provided. See, Somrat, we will talk. Please talk to the admin and then you can understand. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Let me, guys. So let me finish this. Random forest, add a boost, and then we have next one Power BI, and then we have deep learning, then we have NLP, then we have computer vision, and then these are the topics we have. What are the capstone projects? Let's talk about capstone projects. Just go here and I'll go to this one. Now, what is the difference of project and capstone projects, guys? Project means in the colleges you have many projects you're doing or not. Okay, let's say calculator. Build a calculator app in Python. App in Python. This is a projects, guys. This is a projects, I can say. But what is capstone projects? The capstone projects means the projects which always live. You know what is always live? For example, banking industry. It is always live or not? Do you think bank will die tomorrow? No, very simple, I'm saying. Another, healthcare. Yes, guys. Another one, insurance. Another one is insurance. Another one is service sectors, manufacturers, sports industry, entertainment industry, supply chain industry. We have all these things or not, guys? We have all those things. So if you mention in the projects, see, there is a project called bank risk analysis. So this is a capstone projects, guys. Risk factor available in everywhere or not? In the house only risk factors. Don't open the door key in 3 days. There is a no house at all. It's a risk or not, guys? So this is all these projects we have, healthcare. So what is probability to customer has diabetic or non-diabetic or non-diabetic? So this is all has capstone projects. So that's why we call it as BFSI. What is BF? Banking, finance, service, and insurance. I hope understand, guys. So let me answer some of the questions which raised by online team, and then we talk. Unable to download the video. Just one moment. See, guys, are you comfortable to download the video? No, you can. You just see the video, play the video, and you can watch. Just go here and this one. Just go to this part as well. Let me copy. I'm not this one. Just go here. Home, my drive. Okay, drive link is showing blank, no files found. Is it? No, man. Open it. 1 second. I think it is. Okay, so drive link showing blank. Okay, right now it was no find. I will create it one more time. Just give me some time. I will share it. Okay, Bhupinder. Yesterday, you have a file now? Wait. I will check this. Don't worry, I'll post this link, guys, in the meantime. Okay. Let me have any questions for the students. So as I told you, the first thing, I will give you one software. Please download everyone. Okay, can we go for little software, guys? Can we start a little bit code? So you go to Google. Yes, please. So this is theory, and still we have a lot of things completed. Just go to Google and you try Google Colab. So what exactly I'm trying to say? Just if you want to open your laptop, you can open. Just go here. See, I do see that there is some issue now, and I will fix it, no problem. Go to this drive, and in this drive, okay, now I think go to my drive. 1 second. And strange, I think I will fix it, no problem. Okay, yeah. So can we, yeah, we can do it. But for the being a first, we do first code today. Okay. Just go to Google, everyone, and you can try. You see, I will try to mention something. If you guys experience, if you know it, if you know this before, then don't worry. You can stay with me, or you can leave. You can connect with me tomorrow. If you know Jupyter Notebook, Google, because as I have many students new, they don't know anything. Okay, guys, they don't know anything. So let me start a basic code first, and then we can work. So offline team, everyone bring the laptop. Okay. So can you open the laptop now? Online team, you can also open the laptop, both offline and online. Both guys are open the laptop. And today we see the first code, and offline team, the one who expertise, you don't worry, just stay in the class. And if you want to go, you can leave because as you know it before. And for freshers, non-technical, and all the guys who no experience, we talk all those things before. Okay. All right, guys. The first, let's say, steps. Everyone logged in, guys? Okay. Now, first you go to Google, the way I done. Okay, you have internet. Uh, can you check your hotspot, guys? Just, or maybe one question. Yeah, guys, allow talk. Yeah, Somyadip, what happened, buddy? So can we do it? Shakina will do it. Just wait.
Sir, I'm currently working in a non-tech. Okay,
Okay.
so I will erase that means experience. Okay, for non-tech and put it as a experience for technical. So will I do
Yes.
that?
Yes, I will give you that. You have to do that.
Okay,
So
means
those
I'm planning
projects
to
I will,
put around 3+ years of experience.
you can go
Mm,
for it. No worries.
no,
What's
means
your project?
I've had a chat with my HR and she has permitted me.
Hmm.
Not means she knows that I'll
Then it's very good,
cut off.
man. It's very good
Mm.
if HR is so educated then, because you can go for it, Somyadev. No
Okay, sir.
worries for
Okay.
it. And what are the projects? I will give it to you. Okay? Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
good. Sumit, what happened, buddy? Unmute you.
Hi, sir.
Hi, tell
Yeah,
me.
actually, you will cover every curriculum or other staff member who are also teaching.
Everything's teach by me, or else you come and meet me in the class.
Okay.
Okay, Sumit, don't worry. Till 6 months, till lifetime, I will be with you. No worries.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yeah, thank
no
you.
worries. Okay, so Vaishnavi, any question, ma? Subsearch Google Colab. Yeah, wait. Guys, just calm down. Just calm down. Offline team are waiting. We do small practical, then we come back for questions. You guys hotspot log into laptop. Don't say, man, you have Instagram, you do download, you do everything in phone. Now you cannot connect to Google. Done. I'll share you the Wi-Fi. We have to do so. Next step, just go to the step one, Google first step. Wait, online team, because I do have offline team. Then type Google Colab. Then type Google Colab. Enter. Then type Google Colab. Enter. Are you enter this one? Google Colab. Everyone. Offline team, just let me know how many of them done. Online team, you do with me. So the guy is the one who knows all those things. Yeah. So you can yeah, you can just leave. We can join tomorrow because these days we start a basic codes and then we can work. Now click on it. Click on it. Welcome to Google Colab. Once you click, I'm working as an Oracle SQL, so 1 year experience. I know Python. I had sent new R&D projects for AI chatbot. I had searched many YouTube videos, courses, etc. Theory, but your class is very conceptual and your workshop helped me a lot for my projects. Very good, Ishwar. I know I already talked to you. So you just come back, your job career, your career, I mean, packages, everything will change. So let's do this practical, okay? So what we done, everyone got this page, offline team, how many of them got, just raise your hands. You don't done? Didn't bring laptop? Tomorrow you bring. Oh, you guys done? Ochanda? Okay. Guys, सबको आ गया ये चीज? Yes, online team. Click on new notebook. Click on new notebook. No problem. This is recording. I will share this recording as well. In the meantime, I will talk to this. Everyone got this file. Please respond me. Do you see this is a prompt? Do you see this? Click options. Let me know how many of them got. Just type. Yes, yes, yes. Fantastic. Fantastic. Good. Everyone got? Type single quotes. Welcome to Nourish IT. Welcome to Nourish IT. Type two single quotes. Just execute. Check this. Check this. Welcome to. Don't ask, sir. You didn't mention E. You mentioned. Okay. Do you see got response or not? Everyone got, guys? आ गया कि नहीं आया? వచ్చిందా లేదా? Answer. Good. Now, where do I get next prompt now? Where do I get next prompt? This prompt we call the cell, C-E-L-L, cell. This prompt is called cell. Now, do you see code here? Click the code. I got another prompt, another cell. Can you got guys, everyone? So see, the one who already knew it, so I want to ask you questions. Can you be with the 1 minute? I will. Okay. Be with this who unmute you, please. What happened, buddy? Now let me copy and let's apply.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
This is Vibhuti. I have like 8 plus of experience
Mhm,
as a full stack developer in PHP and Angular.
mhm.
So I have just basic
One
idea
second,
about.
Sahu. 1 second, 1 second. Sandhya, can you click code? Can you click code here? See this, guys. Just 1 second, Vibhuti, sorry. So just code. Okay, you click this, you get cell. See why we got this error. Anyone tell me why we got this error, guys, here? Anyone tell me why we got this error? Exactly. What is name of error? Syntax error. Can we go ahead today? First error you understand. The name of the error is error are different types of error. What is the first error? Syntax error. So what is syntax error? When a user types some questions, it front page only check and give you error. That's called syntax error. Okay, sorry, Bhivati, go ahead, please. I'm sorry. Yes, unmute you. Yes, please go ahead. You have 18-year experience?
8 years. 8
8
years.
years. Yes, please.
Yes. So I know the basic things like Python, SQL,
Hmm,
NumPy, Panda, all these things. I
hmm,
just wanted to learn the AI, ML
hmm,
things
hmm.
like generative AI,
Yes,
ML, and deep
yes,
learning, all these things.
yes.
So should I start from the very beginning, or in the meanwhile I can join
No,
now?
I would no. So I would say you join from beginning. If
Okay.
you know, that's fine. While you joining, you keep in connections. I will tell you the advanced course. Once you done the advanced course, I will tell you to apply a job immediately within 1 month. I will take an interview. If you clarify my interview, I will apply the jobs in 1 month. I need in 6 months, you have to get placed under my guidance.
Okay.
Where,
Um,
Vibhuti, are you clear what I'm speaking?
yes, yes, yes.
So what happened in simultaneously you apply jobs, you learning from me. In the 1 month, I covered all the NumPy, Pandas, practical, everything we do. Okay, Vibhuti Sahu,
Yes. Yes, yes.
am I clear or you have any more question?
No more questions. Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, just 1 second, I'll talk to you. Let me finish. Today I introduce syntax error. Are you guys clear or not? Okay. Now let's do this. Let me copy the same code and I will apply here. If I do 2 dots, can I get error or output? Why error, guys? Because error or output, guys, this one, error. Now let's go ahead and check here. This is again an error, isn't it? So my code end, did you see fix error? Don't do this. Just go to code, code, code. Create a new prompt. Single and error single code should be this one. Now let's do 2 plus 3. Let's work with numbers. Now let's work with numbers. 2 plus 3. Shift enter. Can you do shift enter? 5 or not? Single quotes only, it is work. That's right. 2 plus 3, 5, it is working. So guys, let me tell you, the guy who already has experience before these Google Colab, you don't need to, if you have some work, you can go ahead, you can join from tomorrow. As to the day one, I start introductions to my some non-technical students. I have to take care of them. So please understand. And slow by slow, we get in all those things, guys. Am I clear, guys, up to this? So today we talk about core syllabus. Tomorrow I'll complete roadmap. Then we complete capstone projects. Then I'll give you some more things. And then, sorry, I have wandered today class. Only take different faculty will take. Everything I will only explain, Shailesh. No other faculty. I'm new to what is Google Colab. Very good. Google Colab is one of the tool which we used Python programming. Okay. Renu, this is, I will tell you, we didn't install any software. Do you guys install any software? So what is Google Colab? Good questions. So here, the first one, how do you get into Google Colab? First step, I type Google. What is second step? Enter Google Colab. Then new notebook. That's it. Then new notebook. And we working on code or not? We working on code. Started or not? This is what. So in Google Colab, okay, is created by Google, isn't it? So no need to, without install any software, we can work. GPU, CPU, this is called Google Colab. You have a two operations, CPU and GPU. I will explain later. Let's get back to the work. Now, can you tell me 2 plus 3 minus 5? What is answer? What is answer? Don't say I'm non-technical. Who's saying this? This is just a simple additions, man. Yeah, what is BODMAS? So what exactly answer? Can you please tell me? So just go here and execute 5 minus 5, 0. Isn't it, guys? So, but here, when you say 2 plus 3, and I can say minus 5, just execute. Still you got 0, isn't it? So, but here, let's copy and execute, and I'll open bracket this one. So what is response for this, guys? 2 plus 3 minus 5, you got 0, isn't it? Because plus 2 minus 2. So that means BODMAS. Do you remember in school days, we learn the three concepts, B, O, D, M, A, S. First is bracket, then order, then division, then multiplications, then additions, then subtractions. This is called BODMAS, isn't it? Yeah. So here, just close it. Now, non-technical guys, you can work, and the guys who know, as I told you, you can leave and you can join tomorrow. We can come back and slowly we're heading towards, yeah, all those things, guys. You can work. Let's go here. And offline team, are you working or not? You got all these outputs, guys? You got all these outputs or not? So can you tell me how to get to the next code? Just type the prompt. Okay, team. Now let's say 10 plus 2. So what happened? 12. I can just directly pass a number. Variable means what? I will tell you later. But here you can say 10 minus 2, 8. Isn't it? Then 10 into 2. Just what happened? 10 into 2, 20. 10 2 times into 2. 10 square. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 10 square 100. Isn't it? I hope you get this. When you try welcome to Narishiti both in double quotes. Gauri, you can pass single quotes, you can pass double quotes. No worries. Okay. Yeah, that's right, Vasista. Yeah, Pratik. So here, let's try this now. Then you can try as another one. 10 divided by 2. What is output? 5.0. Because 10 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. So remainder is 0 or not? So that's what 5.0. Now you said, no, I don't want float. This is a float division, guys. This is called float division. Okay. Then what we got? So here, then we can talk about 10. 2 times 2. Now it is a 5. Clear or not? Now let's mod. Just give me 10 mod 2. What is remainder, guys? 0 or not? Then 11 mod 2. What is remainder? 2 5s are 10. So remainder is 1. 11 by 2. So 2 5s are 10. So the mod is 1. Team, are you understand or not? Everyone, are you guys clear this part? Yes. So how many of them done up to this? The non-technical. See, this is a very simple thing, but I want you to pretty interesting or not, guys? This is a very simple Python. Guys, don't you learn this? Let's say I try to write a simple code. Try with me. Define def functions, greet, okay, and every time by default you print, okay, you can say good evening, or maybe it's say good night, and then greet. Just here, execute. Do you good night is printed or not? I want to print this good night 4 times. I want to print this good night 4 times. How do you do this? Just go to the code. So if I say print good night 4 times or not, this is one way. Let me copy and you can paste here, you can paste here, you can paste here. Just go ahead and execute 4 times, print or not. But here, rather than I do like this, I have a different way. What is Avilash? I'll tell you. This is a little bit, try to write this code and then I will explain tomorrow. This is one way. And rather than I type 4 times, I can see greet, then greet, then greet. See, still we got 4 times or not? So define a functions, call the functions. Don't worry, just type everyone. I'll stop here. I will get response to the students' questions. And then everybody finished up to this, guys. So today, without installations, we done the practical. Basic Python practical. Tomorrow, we'll done the softwares in the class. Or maybe I will speak, then we can continue. And once the demos are finished, so we can go for complete batch. So there's no more demos after sometimes. Okay. One moment. Offline team, if you have any questions, you can come early at 7 to 7:30. I will have discussions with you. Come up with your questions. And my batch is fully practical. Okay. It's very simple. I'm trying to explain all these concepts in detailed way. So whether you have to study, then you can study. So that's it. It all depends on you. Every day I show you offers and it's your decisions now. Are you clear? So please every day come along with laptop. Slowly we develop all those things. Clear, guys? Offline team, any questions, stay. Rest of them leave. Online team, I will talk to you now. 1 second. First, yeah. Vaishnavi, unmute you. Pratish, wait, I will talk to you. So I have a question. Are we going to deploy anything using Azure AI? We deploy in CI/CD pipeline, Somnath. Somit, I'm sorry. Vaishnavi, unmute you. And Amlan, unmute you. Laptop model recommendations. Jayanti, laptop model based on your budget, but I request you go for i5 minimum configurations, 512 GB SSD, and then I would go for, and then 512 SSD. There's a 2 things, and then you have a quad core processor. Yeah, those things, i5, 512 GB SSD, 8 GB RAM. It would be better. Okay. So notes of these sessions. You guys scan it or not? I will upload once I go home. Okay, I'll upload once I go home. Everyone clear?
Sir,
Okay, so
I have 10 plus years of experience.
very good.
So will with this Captain project, will it be helpful for me to get a job and switch along with? So in this course, shall we cover any cloud?
Yeah, we covered Azure Cloud.
Okay.
We covered Azure Cloud, and it's 10 plus. You have to get a good offer. Definitely. See, Projects Bank is, you also, which domain you working now?
Currently, sir, I am a Java full stack developer working
So in Java
banking
full
sector.
stack, yeah, exactly. Banking sector is there for you or not? So it is a capstone or not? So this learning you can implement to your projects, and we merge these projects, and you can shoot and resume.
Okay.
Yes,
Sure.
Amla.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Mohammed Ismail, it's working. The drive is working now. Just starts. Rohan, actual class already see. Actual class I will start like this because new students will come back and gone. So actually slowly introduce Colab now. Tomorrow I introduce. After 3 to actual classes already started, you can say, Rohan. Okay, buddy? Okay, Amlan is done. Lower hands. Vaishnavi, unmute you. And Bhavani, unmute you. Sumedh, I hope I answer your questions, buddy. And then Chinna, unmute you. And then, yeah, Vishnu, unmute you. Please, what's your queries, guys?
May I go first, please?
Yes, Bhavani, please go ahead.
Sir, actually, I have more than 13-14 year experience in software development.
Very good.
Somehow, I have stopped coding a long time back, mostly in consulting and solution architecture role. And from last 3 to 4 months, I am designing application of making system design based applications and then integrating with AI solutions like ChatGPT
Mm,
or Bedrock or
mm,
NVIDIA platforms. But
mm,
that is very superficial or very high level knowledge that I have got
mm,
how these components integrate with the chatbot application or
mm,
other RAG applications.
mm.
So it is some kind of curiosity that I should learn, like what is behind the curtains.
No man, see, Bhavani, you are experienced guys. You not required like a freshers.
Mm.
It's just little bit of revision, and just spend at least 1 or 2 hours on coding. With when the code stops, then everything is stops. Yes, Bhavani.
So because
Quick.
if I
Yeah,
go
I
with
have. Yeah, I have. Please go ahead. Yeah. So, what is the questions exactly?
is this course will give me that idea like uh, others like data scientist or ML ops
Of
engineer.
course, man. See, just now I show you in front of today many of us, data analyst, data scientist.
Mm.
So my students already got placed.
Being as a software, like I'm a solution architect and just
No,
trying to be like,
let me tell you, solutions architects, you can see solutions architect, you have a designations, right? When
yes,
you change to the company, you might not get solution architect, you may get AI architect. You get artificial. So when you architect means what? You expert on this, right? That's called architectures. So how you become expert? You have to code some days or not? Then you cannot
exactly,
do.
sir, because I'm not able to suggest like tools process at this point. Like I can suggest like let's guys go with the platform infrastructure database. But and
Hmm, hmm,
when it comes to like uh, what machine learning models we should use here,
hmm,
what
hmm.
Azure service use for this video recognition or audio recognition to
See,
answer this
Azure
question.
service, you have to deploy the models, Azure service.
Mm,
See, because in system CPU is 8 GB. When you trained large data, we cannot train the model, right? We require a more sci-fi system. So that's why we can go for that. Okay. So anyway, go for any cloud.
So, if going with this, that is definitely forget about
Definitely,
because it's
definitely
solution
helpful.
architect designation in this company.
Yes.
Anyhow, like this is everything is temporary. If going somewhere else, then we have to be. So
Hmm.
with this new like this is going in day by day. Everyone is at least should know these
You have to know because even the solution architectures, CTO guys, they trying to sit and learn. I have a
Yes.
leaders as well. They have a 25-year experience. The guys come in and learning here. So you have to learn. Understand, Bhavani? So there's no worries. You can continue with me. And after some time, once you add on to the classes, I will speak much about, and then we can have a personal conversations as well. Okay?
Thank you, Prakash.
Thank you. Jay, unmute you. Bhavani, yeah, please.
Yeah, hi sir, very good evening.
Good evening,
Myself,
please.
I'm Jen,
Please.
BTech 2022 passed out, sir.
Okay.
I just learned the data science course subject from free resources, and I had achieved some multiple internships and job offers also.
Mm.
But the thing is, I'm
Yeah, you can
completely
refer.
lagging in the course answers.
Hmm.
So, and I don't know as a fresher, whether I have a chance to achieve the job in fresher market or else.
Very simple. You
But
have to learn. You have to learn and apply a job. Understand, Jay?
yes,
So I will you work with me. I will guide you. You make a notes. You apply internships more and get opportunities, and then you can go for it. Okay, Jay?
yeah, okay, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. So I think Bhavani done. Vishnu, unmute you. And Tipu, unmute you. Jay Paul, unmute you. And then Gauri, unmute you. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. This is Tipu here.
Please
Can
go.
I start off?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. So I have 5 to 6 years of experience over Azure infrastructure. So I am working on Azure infrastructure like VM deployment or network configuration or
Very good.
private endpoint configuration and storage accounts and so on. So I have little bit tried to learn a few things on SQL and SQL query commands and little bit of data science and AI. We deploy resource for other teams So I have a team like AI team sitting on the other side and data engineering team. So we deploy resources like Databricks, Synapse Analytics on the Azure and other AI tools like and for AI team like OpenAI, we deploy the models, we deploy the resource on Azure infrastructure, but we don't know how to use it. So that's when I got the
Exactly.
interest.
So
Is
actually, see,
can I
Azure,
go for AI?
yes. So what happened here? We will completely learn from scratch level. You use Azure Cloud, but see, some of the due to privacy concerns, most of the companies they may not use. So for build model from scratch is required. So you just use your services and you do it. So Azure already written the code. You just drag it and drop and use your applications. Am I correct, Tipu?
Exactly. True, sir.
So no, that's don't want it. So that's what. So here we learn the code from Pythons from the base level to build models, model predicts in Python without use any someone write the code. You will write a code. That's called development. I hope you're getting my point. So that's why, yes, this is the basic codes we're starting from beginnings because completely brand new and going from scratch levels, and definitely you learn a lot of things. And I will tell you, meet me any once in face to face, and then I will tell you how things we connect all these integrate to your learnings, to this learnings, to the your office organizations, and you can switch.
Okay. Because right now we are somewhere in the middle of the career, and now if we try to switch,
Yeah, of
they'll
course.
expect
No,
there will be a
in
lot
the
of high
IT,
expectation from
let
us.
me tell you, Tipu, in the IT, till the time we lived, we have to study. I'm study man, you have to study. There's no options. Clear? Okay.
True, sir. But last question, sorry to
Please,
extend.
please.
Will our Azure infrastructure knowledge will be helpful in the
Of
data
course,
science
of
or
course. All
analytics?
Yes, all GenAI integrations you can do with Azure. So people, cloud is everywhere required. So cloud integrate to the data science, cloud integrates to every part, cloud is required. So based on the companies, as it's a large language model, the Azure is still in research phase. So they have some deployment issues going on with Azure. I'll give one practicals how to work with Azure to machine learning with the help of Azure ML Studio, and then I will teach you all the practicals. But here you learn for a develop by your own, understand people, with help of some algos. That's what I'll teach in the classes. And when you integrate this development along with your Azure services, your powerful resume you're gonna make. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. Whose question? It's your wish, Sarah. AWS Cloud, if you use AWS Cloud, but I'm not teach AWS, we can go for this one, sir. How to solve the below error? Then by using error cannot connect to GPU. You don't need to connect to GPU. I will tell you later. Okay, Ishwar, don't worry. Just you done this task today. That's good enough. Okay, yeah. Whose questions? I knew. Okay, that's fine. To get more access to GPU considered. Yeah, we can go for purchasing. We can go for purchasing. Pay as you go. True. That's what we need to do this. Vishnu, unmute you and low hands. And Jay Paul is done. Yeah, Jay Paul and Gauri. Vishnu, please go ahead. Quick, guys. Any more questions?
I have 2.8 years of experience in production support actually.
Very good.
Yeah. So I would like to do this data science. But actually, how it will be the package and everything. I will be considered as fresher, right, in this field actually. You know.
No, you have to see, man. You are not a freshers. You are 2.5 year experience corporate. You can plug those experience into IT field. So it is possible. Okay, Vishnu?
But that is not in data science, right?
No, your voice is so blurred.
But that is not in data science, right? That experience.
You will learning, right? You will learning now. In the class,
Yeah.
what are you doing? So when you learn and then after, you can, okay, sure, bye, good night. You will learning and all the learnings you apply and you change one projects in your existing company, you can shoot and job. Yes, I hope you got me what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so guys, any more questions? 1 second.
Hi, sir. This
I
is
go ahead.
Gauri.
Please
Yeah.
go ahead. Yep.
Yeah. I already brought it to your attention yesterday that I am 5.9 years of experience in testing,
Very good.
wherein I do not have any knowledge of coding. I even tried to go for automation, but due to time constraints, I couldn't go to that. And now I feel like I want to switch the domain. That is the reason I've chosen this option. So first, my question is with respect to experience, because it's already I am not sure like how to present myself for the next interviewer when when the experience regarding the experience of my 6 years, like will it go in vain? I know you have answered this question to a couple of people, but just wanted a clarification from my end as well. So just want to understand from with respect to experience, how will I take the next step? And yes, of course, with regarding to this course, I'm going to go ahead with this, and I'm going to complete it within the
Yeah.
given span of period.
So the first thing is, how many companies you've been working 6 years?
I think I have I've worked in 2 companies.
Very good.
Yeah.
So you can say, do you know every company has a POC?
Yeah.
POC, proof of concepts, means you say that your testing projects was completed and you were in bench before, and now you got a new POC client from banking industry or insurance industry. You know the client. I will give you the client. I'll give you 2 projects, and you mention the projects, and I complete the projects, and now I move towards IT in the existing.
But sir,
No, let me tell you. You just mentions in your resume like that. Clear, got it?
Yeah.
When you make a profile, you mentions you are a data analyst. You are a data analyst. So in your profile, but when you you go for interview, right? At the time of background verifications from, you give your genuine.
Okay.
See how people are going from, some of them are agents to data scientists. So see, testing is a tool. Testing is a designations company given, but the work you've been done is in data part.
Okay.
Understand this?
I understand, sir. But right now I am on a career break.
No problem. It's very good, no? And then you tell some stories, no? Because this COVID period was there and still it was attacked.
Yeah. I mean, just
something like-
last week I just got released from my previous company organization, and I just didn't wanted to.
Then it's so good. You have a good time to study now.
Yes. Yeah. That's the purpose of.
Good. You can continue. No worries. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And also, sir, I got this indentation error for the small code that you asked me to execute.
You can check a small. See, when you pass 2 codes, it will fix. So when you remove 1 codes, it will not fix.
But the last one, welcome.
This one?
Sorry, the good night code that you asked me to write.
This one, right?
Yes, print.
Don't worry, leave it. I will tell you tomorrow.
Sure. Yes.
Okay. So this is a little bit complicated, and then I'll talk to you next one. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So anyone, space error? Yeah, Pratik sir, I need to talk to you, Kavya. Guys, can we talk tomorrow, everyone? Yeah, Kavya, unmute you quick. Pratik, it's fixed. Sheikh, can you please unmute me? I want to talk. Sheikh, unmute you. And just offline team, just wait. Okay, online team, can you wait? Let me talk to my online team and offline team because they have to travel. So then we speak. Okay, any questions? Yeah, tell me.